Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a real life messy closet cleanup because with all the Black Friday shopping and everything just piling up, my closet has become a nightmare. This used to be an actual room that I could enjoy, and now it is just a piled up closet. So today I'm going to tackle a quick cleanup. I'm not going to be organizing any drawers or anything like that because, well, honestly, I had a big dresser in my bedroom and I really wanted this beautiful fireplace, which you may have seen in one of my previous videos, and I wanted it to be under the TV, and it was just so pretty, but I had to give up my dresser in order to get the fireplace. So I have the fireplace and I had to just take everything out, and I've tried weeding through a lot of things and getting rid of them, but I still have so much stuff that got pushed into these drawers, which were all neat and tidy, and I need to do like a big clean out of that, but I really don't have time today. But what I am gonna do is get this cleaned up and looking spotless and tidy again.
I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the
for the boys. They've already got some of their shirts on today, but I ordered some Abercrombie stuff, I think on Black Friday. And ironically, it was cheaper on Cyber Monday. So I have to take these to their room. My little Debbies. I always have little Debbies hanging around. My guilty pleasure. These are a secret because they are going to be in our photos.
but you don't get that courage, cause you can handle my game. No, my drive's a puzzle, I got you so bumfuzzled, cause you can fall into my pain. No time to stay around, keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access, I'm just a flag to get up in your. We love discharging, I call
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon, beyond the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon, beyond the horizon. And let me tell you what I found, leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon, beyond the horizon. You got me feeling like my head is spinning round. The way you look is so amazing, amazing. I could stare into your eyes for hours and hours. Everything is kinda hazy. We're just dancing in the dark, in the flashing lights. I know you can't hear what I'm saying, so I'm just gonna hold you closer. You take me higher when we're together. It feels like you set my whole world on fire. I know I want you, I know I need you here. You're everything I want tonight. You know you make me feel so alive. I wanna stay with you, never say goodbye. It's like we're in paradise, like we're in paradise.
Thank you guys for joining me today and cleaning with me and organizing my closet. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure and give it a big thumbs up, and please be sure and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will continue to see my new videos that I post. Thank you guys so much. Bye. I don't know how you do it to me, but you make me wanna fly. I'm not coming down.